Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Find X8 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to. Then hit your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section. Type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!